Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is our Tracer Minute. This is a 2023 28 VHS. Let's take a look. We've got all of our cool controls up front, battery disconnect, power tongue jack, power awning. We've even got a mini fridge. Solid entry step, extra large grab handle. This is a bunkhouse unit. Double wide bunks in the back. Lots and lots of room in here. Very pretty. Fireplace, stereo system. Big screen TV. Come up to the front. Our own private front bedroom. Mounted for an extra TV. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.